Okay, in this video, I would like to explain a little bit the differences between job order costing versus process costing. For job order costing, this is for specific product or services or customized product, and usually it is like order in a small amount, small size of order. Okay, but for process costing, the product is homogeneous product, means that the product is the type of the product is only one similar product. Yeah, similar product, and massively produced. So we like, if for the process costing, the company produced the product in a really big amount of units. They don't really forecast. They do make forecasting, but but usually they just produce and then distribute to the targeted customers. But for the job costing, they already get the order from the customer and then produce the product. So very different. So meaning that for the process costing, we can really mention many examples of companies that implement process costing. For example, the company of, for example, paint manufacturers, or companies that produce shampoo, produce soap, or snacks. Okay, but for job costing, the example is hospital service, because the hospital service that you get, that someone get from the service from hospital that someone get is based on the result of the consultation, or based on the health problem that someone has. So, and then next one is another example of job costing. Company that implement job costing is computer repair shop. Okay, or customizable furniture shop, and so on and so on. Okay, you can mention it. Okay, in the job order costing, we only have direct material plus direct labor plus manufacturing overhead for each of the job or project. Okay, but for the process costing, so in the process costing, you will have many process, right? For example, the process or department. For example, mixing process or mixing department, and then what else? And then mixing department, and then packaging department, the packaging process, and then and so on and so on. Okay, so for process costing, in each of the process, you will have the direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. And then in this packaging process, you will have direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Okay, sometimes you will have here the what we call that, the beginning work in process. Sometimes if you have the beginning work in process, okay, or if you, for example, mixing process is the first step, packaging process is the second step, you will add more here, the transfer inventory from mixing process to the packaging process. So in each of the process you will find direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. So later if you want to find the total manufacturing cost, you will add them together. You will add the mixing process, packaging process, all of the process together. Then you will get total manufacturing cost. Okay, so okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.